If you read this fourth problem, it says mean of 9 observations was found to be 35. So x bar is given to be 35. And 9 observations are there. So we take n is equal to 9. Later on, it was detected that an observation was wrongly observed as 81 instead of 18. So the correct observation was 18, but it was misread as 81. So you need to find out the correct mean. So obviously, if I am misreading a certain observation, my total number of total sum of the observations will come out to be wrong. I need to correct that sum, right? And number of observations will remain the same. Okay, because only one observation was misread. So I just need to correct the sum of the observations. So let's see how to correct the sum of the observations. Now I have given you a method here. Now if you can understand this method very well, otherwise what you can do is, because the number of observations was 9, I say let the observations be, let the 9 observations be x1, x2 and up till x9. Okay, so therefore what is summation x? Summation x is the sum of the observation, x1 plus x2 plus up till x9. Okay, now suppose we take x9, this observation that was that was misread, okay, uh, as 18. So we have taken this x9 say as 18. Okay, say we have taken x9 as 18. So therefore sigma x becomes how much? Sigma x becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, and finally x9 is 18. Okay, but this is the incorrect summation x. Okay, therefore this is incorrect summation x. We need to correct this. And how do we correct this? Because 18 we had taken. Okay, uh, now this is the incorrect sum. Now from the formula for mean, so we have x bar is equal to summation x by n, and summation x bar is given to you as 35 is equal to summation x, and 9 here, n here is 9. So that means summation x is 35 into 9, which is 315. But this summation x includes this observation 18. So this must be the wrong summation x. Therefore incorrect summation x is equal to 315. Okay, now from this incorrect observations, if I subtract the wrong observation, therefore what should be the correct summation x? Because this was added wrongly as 315, and which one was the incorrect observation? 18 was the incorrect observation here in the sum. So what I do is I remove this 18. Okay, and which one was the correct observation? 81 was the correct observation, so I add 81. So this will give me my correct value of total I mean the sum of the observation, correct value of the sum of the observation. So this will come to 396. If you add up 315 plus 81, come to 396 minus 18. So this is 378. So this is the correct summation x. Now once we have got the correct summation x, therefore what is the correct mean? Because the number of observations remains the same, correct mean is correct summation x divided by n, because the number of observations remains the same, which is 378 divided by 9 comes to 42. Okay, so that is what this sum is. Important sum. Please take note of this sum. Now, once we have finished mean, now we can move on to median. Now, what is the median? Median is nothing but the central value or the mid value of the observations. Okay, the central value or the mid value of the observation is called the median. Okay, for example, if I give you four observations, let's say five observations. Okay, this is the five observations. So which one should be the middle observation? I will not know the middle observation unless I arrange it in ascending order. So I arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order is 3, 4, 8, 11, and 18. If you see, the middle value here is, this is the middle value. This is the median. Okay. So median is nothing but the central value of the observations. And it is very easy to find out also. You just need to know how to arrange numbers in ascending order. That is what which you have done in your lower classes. So let's see the first question. Before moving on to the first question, let me just give you a formula for median. Median here is, now I have, if in the last example I had taken five observations, the number of observations is five, which is odd. So therefore you have two different formulas for odd observation, odd number of observations, and even number of observations. You have two different formulas. Okay. So median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Remember, median is not n plus 1 by 2, but n plus 1 by 2th observation if n is odd. If n is odd. And it is equal to, now for even number of observations, suppose you have six observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observation. So middle observation will be two of them, right? So therefore, what you do is, for if a number of observations is even, then it will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, whole divided by 2 if n is even. So this is the formula for your median. Okay. Now it depends which one to use depending on whether n is even or when n is odd. Let us look at a very simple example to start with. Calculate the median of these numbers. So one, the given numbers are, or the given observations are 2, 3, 4, 3. See that 3 is a repeated observation, and repeated observations, we take repeated observation as they are. Okay, these are the observations given. So if you see, count number of observations, how many observations are given here? If you count, it's equal to 10. So n is equal to 10, which is even. Here number of observations is even. So therefore, what should be the median? Median is equal to, use this for n even, we use this 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2, which is equal to 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. This is your median. But we will not know which one is the 5th observation and which one is the 6th observation unless we arrange it in ascending order. So the given observation is an ascending order. We arrange them in ascending order. The given observations in ascending order. So arrange them in ascending order. 0, 1, 1. See that the repeated observation I am writing. 2 is repeated twice in the observations. So I am writing it twice. 3 is repeated thrice. So I am writing it thrice. This is how you arrange in ascending order. Okay. So do I have 10 observations? Yes. So this is the observation in ascending order. Therefore, hence what should be the median? Hence median is equal to fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. Fifth observation, first observation, second, third, fourth, and this is your fifth observation. The fifth observation is 2 plus sixth observation. This is the sixth observation, 3. This is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. This is the median. The median is nothing but the central value. And remember always to arrange in ascending order before choosing the observation, which number of observations you are taking. Okay. Let us look at the next example from median. In a science test to a group of students, the marks scored by them out of 100 are, so here the marks of the students are given out of 100. Okay, so the given marks are, let's list down the marks: 41, 39, 52, 48. Okay, so count the number of observations. It will come to 15 observations, which is odd. So therefore, what should be the median? Median is only 1, which is n plus 1 by 2th observation, which is 8th observation. But we will not know which is the 8th observation unless we arrange in ascending order. The given marks in ascending order arrange them in ascending order. 39 is the lowest, 40 is repeated twice. So only the only painful job is to arrange them in ascending order. Otherwise, everything is very straightforward. This is in ascending order. Therefore, hence what is the median? Eighth observation. Eighth observation from the left. Start counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this is your eighth observation. It is equal to 52. That's it. Okay. Next example. The following observation have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 47.5, find the value of x. Now this is just the other way around. Here, the data is given to you in ascending order. Observations are given to you in ascending order. And the median is also given. But one unknown observation is given to you. You need to find out that unknown observation. So in this case, you list down the observations first. The given observations are, the given observation in ascending order Now tell me, if the observations are given in descending order, then what will you do? How will you find out the median of the
Sir,
observation?
first we will write the greatest number, like
Huh?
67, then 67, 59. Sir, if it is given in descending order, first we write the biggest number in the that is 67, then 59, 54, 51, 50.
Yes, you either arrange, you just either write it in ascending order starting from the last term. Okay. Or what you can do
Mm,
is, here in ascending order, you start counting from the left side, right? There you can start counting from the right side. Okay. You don't even need to arrange it in ascending order. Okay. You start counting from the right side. Or you can arrange it in ascending order and start counting from the left side. No problem. So the given observations in ascending order is 17, 21, 23, 29, 39, 40, X, 50, 51, 54, 59, 67, 91, 93. These are all in ascending order. That is starting from the lowest, going to the highest. And one observation X is unknown. So first count the number of observations. How many observations are there? Here n is equal to 14 observations, which is even. The number of observations is even here. So what should be the median? Median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2, which is equal to 7th observation plus 8th observation divided by 2. Okay, so this is 7th observation. Start counting from the left because it is in ascending order. 1,
So
2,
x plus 50.
3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th observation. 7th observation is
Yes,
x.
sir.
Write it x.
Mm,
And 8th observation is 50. This is the 8th
50.
observation divided by 2. So median we have found out to be x plus 50 by 2. But what is the median given
2.
here? Median is given to be 47.5. So therefore, according to this problem, this must be 47.5. X plus 50 by 2 must be equal to 47.5. And then you solve this simple equation. The 47.5 into 2 is 95. And therefore, x is 95 minus 50, which is 45. So the unknown observation is 45. Okay. So this type of problem is also given. And sometimes additionally what is given to you is that after finding out x, now you are required to find out the mean of the observations. You have found out x to be how much? 45 we have found out. Now you can find the mean of these observations, add up all the observations and divide it by 14. Okay, sometimes punched with this question is find out the unknown observation given the median, and then you are asked to find out the mean. So in that kind of a question, you will proceed in this manner. You will find out the unknown observation, and then you will place the value of the unknown observation here, 45, and now you will start adding the observations. That is, you will find sigma x. Sigma x, once you find out, divided by the total number of observations n, you will get the mean. Okay. I don't know whether I have done that kind of a question. Okay, I have done this kind of a question in your uh, solved question paper, solved questions on your board examination questions I have solved, I think. Let's see the fourth question here. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 13, find the value of x. So the given observations are given observation in ascending order are 3, 6, 7, 10, x, x plus 4, 19, 20, 25, 28. These are the observations in ascending order. Count the number of observations. How many? Here n is equal to 10. There are 10 observations given, which is even number of observations. Therefore, median must be 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation, whole divided by 2, which is equal to 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. Now 5th observation, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th observation, which is x. 6th observation, this is the 6th observation, x plus 4. So x plus 4 divided by 2. Now this is 2x plus 4 divided by 2, which is twice x plus 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. You get x plus 2. So median you are getting as x plus 2. Now how much is the median given? Median is given to be 13. So according to this problem, x plus 2 must be equal to 13. Therefore x is equal to 13 minus 2, which is 11. That's it. Okay, so this is how you do problems on mean and median. Now sometimes what happens is the questions on mean and median are punched together. Okay, let me see if I can find uh, a, that kind of a problem. If I can solve that kind of a problem for you, where median and mean are punched together. Just give me a minute. If the mean of the observations, if the mean of the observations a, a plus 6, a plus 2, a plus 8, and a plus 4 is 11, find first is the value of a, and the second question is the median. So this clearly here, the mean and median have been punched together in the same question. Start with, so here how many observations are given here? 5 observations.
Yes, sir.
Odd.
So we will multiply all the observations.
So first of all, what is given here? The mean is given to be 11. Okay. So therefore, what is summation x? Summation x is the sum of the observations. So you add the observations a plus 6, a plus 2, a plus 8, plus a plus 4. Add. So this comes to 5a. Okay. And this comes to 20.
20.
Okay. So this is 5a plus
20.
20. And now here you can take 5 times 5 common. You get 5 times a plus 4. So this is your sum of the observations. And what is the mean formula for mean? Mean x bar is equal to summation x divided by n. The mean here is given to be 11. Summation x is 5 times a plus 4. And number of observations here is 5. We solve this equation now. 5 and 5 they cancel. We simply get a plus 4 is equal to 11. That means
Yes,
a
sir.
value of a
Sir,
you
A
get as
equals to 7.
11 minus 4, which is 7. The
7.
value of a you have got. So
Yes,
first
sir.
part of the question is done. So the first
Yes.
part
And
is
we
done.
put the values.
Now you find out the observations. So therefore, the observations are,
7 plus 13 plus 9
what are the
plus
observations? 7, 7 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 7
7 plus
plus
8
8,
and 7 plus 4.
and 7 plus 4. Okay, so that is 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 9,
9,
15, and 11. These are the
15.
observations. Okay, now
Yes,
you
sir.
need to find out the median of these observations. So
Mm.
again here, 5 observations are there. You need to find a median, which is a cakewalk again. Here n is equal to 5, odd. Therefore, median will be um,
N plus
5
1 by
plus
2.
1 by 2th observation. Median will not be 5 plus 1 by 2. It will be 5 plus 1 by 2th
Mm.
observation, which is equal to 6th observation.
3.
But the problem
Yes.
is we will not be able to locate the third observation. Sorry, third observation. Problem is we will not be able to locate third observation unless we arrange in ascending order. So let us arrange the given observations in ascending order.
7, 9, 11, 15. 7, 9, 13, 15. Wait, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15.
7, 9, 11, 13, and 15.
Third
So
observation
now,
is 11.
therefore, median is equal to third observation. You locate the third observation from the left because it is arranged in ascending order. So this is first observation, second observation, and this is your third observation. So median is 11.
11.
So this is an example of a question where mean and median were punched together. Okay, let me just start with the circles, just introduction to circles. This covers your part on mean and median. Now, only the part that is left in statistics is your histograms. That I will discuss maybe later. Okay, not now. You have more important chapters to cover for the time being. So we'll start with the circles. I don't have a written note on circles, so please take note from the videos only. Circles. Okay. Now, first of all, what is a circle? A circle is a collection of points. Circle is a collection of points such that each point is at an equal distance from a fixed point or a constant distance from a fixed point. Say this is your fixed point O. We call it the center of the circle. Any point that you take will be at a fixed distance from this particular point, from this fixed point. Okay. So a collection of points which are at a constant distance from a fixed point is called a circle. Okay. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, is called the center of the circle, and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. That is a basic definition of a circle. That is, it is nothing but a collection of points. Okay. Next, what we define is called the interior of a circle, and we finish with this definition. Interior of a circle. The set of points inside a circle is called the interior of a circle. How many points are there inside a circle? Can you tell me how many points lie inside a circle? How many points are there inside the circle? All these points are inside. How many? Can you count? Can you count? There are infinite number of points inside a circle. All these points, when you form a set from all these points, this set is called the interior of a circle. And this set is actually an infinite set. Okay. So that is what I stop here for today.